Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Saturday Mutt. It is a one-wall dance. There's only two parts, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is a step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, please watch till the end, and I'll post it right here. Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always take the time and leave me a comment. I want y'all guys to know I read every last one of them. I appreciate them. It motivates me and let me know that I'm on the right track. So thank you so very kindly. I also want to thank you for your support. NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We are sold out. Thank you guys so very kindly. We're going to give y'all an awesome time. So are you ready? So instructors, this dance has two parts, but I'm going to teach it to my beginners. Them 32 counts. Just doing 32 counts, not gonna get it, guys. Instructor, push your people. There's not a step in this dance that your people can't do. Your beginners that's been coming a minute, they can do this dance, okay? So let's start on this wall here, okay? I'm gonna turn back, and I don't want you to look. I'm gonna do a half turn, and I don't want you to have to look back at your camera or look back at your telephone or whatever. So let's dance side by side, and each time I turn, you can see my footwork. So stand on this side of the room and look in this direction. We're gonna start with a dip on the right and a dip on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Easy enough. We're gonna do a travel step or weave. Step, front, side, behind, side, front. So it goes slow and then it speeds up. Front, side, behind, side, front, out left, and out on the right. Out and in. Out and in on the left, and out and in on the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, out 7, and 8. Okay? So what we just did is part 1. We did it on the right. Now we're going to do it on the left. We started with that dip, right? So we're going to dip left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to do that travel step to your right with the left leg, starting to the front. Front, side, behind, side, front, out and in on the right, out and in on the left. That's part 1. So in your beginner class, you're doing dips, you're doing a travel step, okay? Just has a different tempo. And out and in and out and in. Simple, okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7 with the dip on the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out 5 and 6. Out 7 and 8. Dip left, 2, 3, and 4. Right 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel 1, 2. Speed up. 3 and 4. Out 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's part 1. And part 2 is easy. We're going to do it on the front. What we do on the front, we're going to do on the back. So tell me you can't teach this in your beginner's class. Tell me they only want to do 32 counts. That isn't so. You only want to teach 32 counts. All right? Because they can do this dance. Let's start again with the dip. So I'm just going to turn my back so we can travel side by side together. 5, 6. I'm coming back to our wall right here. But let's do it in a different direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel left over right. We start with the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we're going to step up on that right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step up on the right, do push, pull, push, pull. That's all you do. So crossing over on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right 5, left 6, right 7 and 8. All right. Now that right gonna come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, out 8. So what I did was a half turn with my right shoulder coming back. But when my right leg was in the front, but I'm gonna rock back. Right, left, up, right, left, easy half. Right, left, right, out, left. That's all I did. And basically, that is part 2. I did it on the right. This back wall, I'm going to do it on the left. That's right, I'm going to cross over on the left. Cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right back. 1, 2, left up. 3, 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. End the dance. That's it. So let's put part 2 together. Part 2 is going to start on the front wall. You're going to do on the right. On the back wall, you're going to do it on the left. So you start with the crossover. Right, left, right, left. Push and pull. Right, left. Rock back. Right, left, rock up. Right, left, turn half. Right, left, out, left. That right shoulder came back and I had a half turn. I made a half turn. And I did right, left, out. Because what I did on the front wall, my right foot, I'm going to do it on the left. So I'm putting my left, my transition is my left heel up and out, tapping out. Then I cross over. Left, right, left, right. Then go that push and pull on the left, right? And then I'm rocking back. Left, right, rock up, left, right. Left shoulder back, half. Left, tap right. In the dance. So when part 1 starts with the chorus. So each time he sings the chorus, you're going to do part 1. When he's singing the verse, you're going to do part 2. So let's put 1 and 2 together, and then I'm going to give you the rotation. And I want you instructors to teach this dance. Come back to this video, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. Your beginners can do this dance. I'm going to teach it to my beginners and my intermediate, okay? All right. So start with the dip. Part 1 starts with the dip. Part 2 starts with the crossover. 5, 6, 7. On the right, dip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel. 1, 2. Speed it up. 3 and 4. Out 5 and 6. Out 7 and 8. Dip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dip. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Travel. 1, 2. Fast. 3 and 4. Out 5, 6, 7, 8. Crossover. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4. Turn back. 5, 6, 7. Out 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of dance. Start over again. What are you going to start with? Crossing over on that right. You're going to do part 1 again with the travel step and come back this way and do part 2. You're going to start with the dip. Dip on the right, dip on the left. That's part 1, your travel step. Okay? When you come back, you do part 2. That's the verse. Crossing over. All right? And you do the back wall, you're going to cross over on the left. All right? When you come back, he's still singing the verse. So we're going to continue doing part 2 again. We're going to do part 1, 2, part 1, 2. When we make it back here, he's still singing the verse. So we're going to do part 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, up 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, out 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pushing forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, up 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going back to 1 with the dip. Okay? And you do that. When you come back, then do that on the right and then to the left. You're going to do part 2. Okay? With the crossover, right over left. And then the song ends with part 1. Okay? So again, Saturday Mutt. The rotation again is part 1 and 2. So it starts with the verse. 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2. So we just finished doing 2. He's still singing the verse, so we're going to do 2 again. Then we're going to go 1, 2, and the song ends on 1. Make sure you let me know what you think. This is a great line dance for your beginners, instructors. I'm telling you, it's at a beautiful tempo. And the reason why I would teach my beginners this dance is because it's teaching them how to do a travel step at a different tempo, okay? And you have 2 parts of the dance, and then there is a change. So that's why I would challenge my beginners to learn this dance, all right? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate y'all guys. Each and every time you share this video, you watch this video, you give me a like, and definitely leaving me a comment. I appreciate y'all guys. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.